Uh, Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the arrays and how the memory is allocated to the arrays and how we are going to perform actions on arrays and and how we are going to reverse an array. So these three operations we will be discussing on the arrays. So before entering into the coding part, let us understand the theory part of arrays. So here an array. What is the basic definition of array? Is the collection of similar data types that are stored in a uniform manner. So here 10, 20, 30 are the collection of similar data types. Here all of them are in integer. So there is no character in between this. So collection of, okay, let me write, collection of similar data types. This is the basic definition of an array. And here the index of an array starts with an 0 and ends with n minus 1. So we can see here index starts with 0 and ends with n minus 1. And for example, if there is a size of 8, then we are going to perform 0 to 7 only, because the iterations will be up to 7, because it is already starting from the 0. Okay, let's move on to coding part. In this part, we are only going to perform reading the elements from the user, and then we are going to print it. And in another operation, we are going to reverse the array. Okay, let's start it. Here we are going to assign the array with the help of array A. A is the name of array and 10 is the memory allocation that we have separate for the array. N is the size of array and I is the uh, index value that we are going for our iteration purpose. Let us scan the size of an array, ampersand n, and then we are going to read and read the elements into an array. We all know that with the help of scanf function, we are going to read the elements into the array, and with ampersand, this it is stored into the value. That is, one second. When I is starting from 0, then a of 0 is be stored, that will be taken from the user with the help of scanf function. And after 1, 2, 3, 1 less than n is, we are going, if we take n as 7, then 1 less than 7 up to 7 iterations that I will be repeating in this for loop. After, if I will become 7, then 7 less than it, the condition fails, then it moves to the another further process. So similarly, up to when we are going to print. This is very simple. This is basic level question. Scanning and reading of an array. Scanning and printing of an array. That's it. Code in C. Let us take the size as 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. One second. Okay, that's the part. Okay, after that we are going to reverse the array. Here we are going to perform the reversal operation. Reverse operation. Let us show the elements in the array in simpler manner. Array R. Okay, enter the elements. one more thing. Finally, enter the size of an array. Okay, for reverse operation, we are going to perform with the help of a temporary variable. Here, let us take a temporary variable. So here, for I equals to 0, like we are going to take this value to the 80. So after this, the array will be in the form of, after reversal operation. Okay, here it will be 80. $75 and further, like the 75, and then 70 will be here, 60 will be here, 30 will be here, 20 will be here, and 10 will be at the last position. So this is the process. So for that, we are going to take initial value I equals to 0, and we are going to okay, let us take initial I equals to 0 here, and then take uh, j as n minus 1, because we are going to send the element at j to the last position. So this swapping, with the help of swapping process, we are going to change the elements from the array from last to first, up to the, if it is mid, if it is even, then only 4 elements will be swapped, that is up to 0, 1, 2, 3 elements will be swapped. If there is an odd number, then middle number will not get swapped, only the left remaining elements will get swapped, and right elements will get swapped to right. Right elements will get swapped to left, and left elements will get swapped to right. Okay, j equals to n minus 1 for I equals to 0, I less than 1 by 5, n by 2, because we are going to do the only half method. Okay, and equals to a of j. For this, there is another method. We can also perform without the use of j. We can simple use n minus 1 method. M equals to a of I, and let us store a of I equals to a of n minus I, n minus 1, and a of n minus 1 as m. Okay, let's see. Okay, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay, elements in array are 10, 20, 30, 40. After reverse 50, 10, 30, 20. Okay, it is n minus I. Sorry, guys. Reverse of an array. Array equals to 0. Let us take another for loop. Equals to 0. N minus 1 minus I. Okay, that's it, guys. Here we have done a little mistake that up to n only we are taken, but n minus 1 is the up to index value. So here n is 8, but n minus 1 is 7. So after that, we are going to reverse the array. So this is the video regarding all the operations like taking the input from the user and then printing and the reverse operation. Let us check our code for the final time. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After reverse operation, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Perfect. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.